Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through setting up the best open source habit tracking app from F-Droid called Loop Habit Tracker. Let's get started. To begin, we need to download F-Droid, the open source app store. Open your web browser and search for F-Droid. Click on the second link, which is the official F-Droid page. Once there, locate and click on Official F-Droid APK to download the App Store. After the download is complete, install F-Droid on your device. Once installed, open the app. Inside F-Droid, use the search function to find Loop Habit Tracker. Download and install the app from the search results. After installation, open Loop Habit Tracker. Start by adding a new habit. Press the plus button. You can choose between yes or no or measurable habits. For this video, we'll select the first option. Provide details such as the habit's name, frequency, reminder, and color. Once done, save the habit. Now select the habit you want to track. In the calendar section, mark the days you've completed the habit. Keep an eye on your best streaks, representing consecutive days of accomplishment. To make tracking more convenient, let's add widgets to your home screen. First, add a widget to display the days of the month for the habit. Second, add a widget to quickly mark off completed days without opening the app. And that's it. Now you can easily track your habits without even opening the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.